What's up, guys? So I'm over here with Noel and Danny, and he's working on the Noma today. So he went to the dark side with this one and he's doing the lift on it. You have any pictures of when it was lowered, bro?
I do.
I'll probably put a picture of when it was lowered so you guys can see the mistake he made. But now he's about to put in these brake lines on this because once you lift it, the lines don't reach. But y'all should comment on there and tell him to slam it back down. But last weekend we went back roading and that happened. It's a little tiny chip, but still sucks. I'm probably gonna get some coilovers for the rear finally, and the Type R spoiler for it, so hopefully a little change up on this. Danny's finally gonna go turbo. It's like, and Noel's about to supercharge, so we're gonna try to get this done today and probably bleed it and hopefully get this thing going soon. Make sure y'all hit up Noel for any of your lift kit needs. He'll make sure your guys' truck is lifted appropriately and it's sitting on some nice jack stands. Look at that. Bro, what's it sitting on in the back?
Huh? Right here,
what? That's it?
Yeah.
What the hell? Well, you was under that car like that?
Yeah.
Tripping.
That's hella tilting.
Look at this. Yeah, that's what he was talking about when he said it had a Cali lean, bro.
Hell yeah. That's what I was gonna say too.
So all we pretty much gotta do is take that off from there, move the brake line to the caliper. Did it loosen up already?
Yeah.
But shoot, any type of weather, any conditions, we get it done. I don't know why this guy chose to do it today, but
hot as day, baby.
looking clean though. This boy did this whole work with just these tools. So I remember when I used to be able to do that. Now I need power tools for everything. The boy turned bougie with that. Props to him though. No power tools. Where they at? Where they at? Alright, so that was really it for today. We just installed these extended brake lines. You can't even see them. Go down. Just since you lifted it, you gotta make up for the space that is getting lifted. But I want to show you guys this one. He has the wheels on it and shit. Looks pretty nice. I'll probably come help him one of these days during the week to bleed it, and I'll probably just update you guys on it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to make a little cinematic, checking in with these guys, working on some shit. But I'll update you guys on that one.
How many lives does it take to realize what's going on? How many years have gone by? When will I reach the finish line? Does it ever end? Is there some reason to all of this? Bit by bit, to all of this. Bit by bit, to all